Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Prosper. Now, this credit card is to specifically help you to rebuild your personal credit. Now, to be pre approved, there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there could be a hard inquiry. Now, another great thing about this credit card is there is no security deposit required. The application process is very simple and straightforward. So, if you are looking to boost your credit, this could be a perfect card for you. Now, they have high limits as high as to $15,000, okay? And they do report to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, okay? So, again, if you are looking to rebuild your personal credit with high limits, this could be the card. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.